What is low sperm count?
Low sperm count means that the feed that a man produces during sex, that is doing after the ejaculate, that we call that feed semen, where there is a low level of sperm that is below the normal level that is expected. The man is said to have a low sperm count when the sperm count is less than 15 million mil of the ejaculates. Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Ilani. Today we'll be discussing about male infertility, and we'll be discussing a journey on low sperm count. All right. To start with, we got a complex pathway that is involved in the production of sperm, and it starts from the brain and so the testes, and to the dots that connect the testes down to where it is being expelled during ejaculation. If there's any issue along this pathway, this can lead to low sperm count, and the causes of low sperm count can be divided into the medical causes, environmental causes, and the lifestyle causes. Now, talking about the medical causes, some genetic conditions can predispose can cause low sperm count. The issues that deal with how the chromosomes, the number of chromosomes in the man. One, there are some conditions in which there is abnormal number of chromosomes in man. This can cause infertility. Other causes include problems with testes, which could lead from testicular tumors. There are some men that have testicular cancer. Some have some testicular condition that can predispose them to having low sperm count. And also some conditions such as infection. Probably someone has had an previous sexually transmitted infection. Over the time, this can lead to scarring of the ducts that the pipe that carries sperm from the testes down to the penis. And if this is not treated on time, it can lead to scarring of this ducts and can lead to the man having the low sperm count. Also, other causes, other medical causes, we include previous surgeries, someone that has had surgery in his testes before, someone that has had anorexia, that's a bit of hernia. Indeed, along that, they are probably tampering with some tissues along the male genital organ that can also affect low sperm count. Also, some other some causes which we call the congenital. There's a congenital cord varicose, in which there is dilation of some structures in the male scrotum, and it has been found that this could be responsible for low sperm count. Now, let's leave the medical points. There are some environmental causes of low sperm count, and this include exposures to some chemicals. In some men that work in some factories that produces some chemicals, it's been found out that this chemical can affect production of sperm, and also in overheating the testes in people that get exposed to more cheap, while in testes is exposed to too much heat. This can affect sperm production. The other causes are some lifestyle changes, lifestyle factors such as smoking, alcohol has also been reported to cause low sperm count. Then exposure to radiations too also affects sperm count.